Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote vehicle start, running boards, security system. Come see the car for yourself.